Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. So yes, today tons of updates, but that's also because there's a ton going on right now, and it's really a period of crazy uncertainty, and I think I should keep you guys updated with all that I have to say. So if you guys are enjoying the daily crypto videos, make sure you press the like button, subscribe, and comment down below to really support the channel. So my previous video was about buying the dip, right? And I see more and more people today actually commenting, saying that they're buying. For example, here even Barry Silbert said, "I'm buying, this is why Bitcoin was invented." It's a really interesting approach to have on all of this, and he is the founder and CEO of DGC Co., as you can see here on the right as well, which is a digital currency group. We build, buy, and invest in Bitcoin and blockchain companies by leveraging our insights, network, and access to capital. So pretty big guy. Parent of Grayscale Invest and Genesis Trading and Coindesk. Investor in 145. And there's a disclaimer. But yeah, pretty big guy. If he's buying crypto, you can see how trending this is going. He just posted this tweet 7 minutes ago, and it's already taken off like crazy. And it's a big guy, so that's good to hear. Then I have a question for y'all. XRP Joker just posted over $870 million worth of Bitcoin just transferred from unknown wallet. No link to the wallet, nothing else significant attached to it. Wondering what he's talking about? If you guys know, put it in the comment section down below. And now let's get into what you guys came for here. Bitcoin price crash to $6,000 influenced by one whale miner. So that's pretty interesting if that's the case. Bitcoin witnessed an $1,800 drop just now. Was it because of the pandemic? Was it because of something else? Well, according to Chain News, a crypto news outlet, the recent fall in Bitcoin's price to sub $6,000 levels caused by one huge BTC whale miner. Just before the crash, a whale miner transferred over 1,000 Bitcoin, approximately $8 million, on March 11 to over 55 exchanges, including Coinbase, Kraken, OKX, and Binance. And according to Chain News Info, the BTC was mined back in 2010. It was moved recently from 28 input wallet addresses, probably causing the recent dip in Bitcoin price. The report reads, these 28 addresses had Bitcoin mined from August to October 2010, and most of the 1,000 Bitcoins were never touched after being mined in 2010, Chain Info said. Within hours of bringing together 1,000 BTC transactions, Bitcoin fell from $8,000 to around $7,500, which may be due to the 1,000 Bitcoin. So, pretty small chance that this was really the case. Gotta be honest with y'all, pretty small chance that this had any real significant effect on it all. It's only in a $50 billion market. It's only $8 million. So, from that perspective, I don't really think it had that much significant input. On the contrary, though, it could be that his main purpose or his main goal was to really shake out the stop losses and shake out all the high leveraged, I guess, longs that were going on. And I guess from that perspective, it could have been a big cause. You know, if somebody really is dumping 1,000 Bitcoin just to push out a lot of stop losses, it's possible, right? It's possible. And because of all these stop losses that got hit, maybe, you know, there's further shorts coming up, of course, when your stop loss gets hit. Some people decide to short. And all that together, with people either strengthening their shorts as well, could have caused a bigger move downwards. So, you know, it is a possibility, and I thought I should update you guys on it. Could whales be controlling the current dip in Bitcoin's price across the markets? Well, of course they are. Of course the whales are doing this. But all right. In other news, the crash in Bitcoin's price is causing lags on the system, with the latest information showing miners getting affected. According to ODailyBTC, BTC.com, or ODailyBTC.com, one of the top mining pools of Bitcoin has seen a lag of over 48 minutes on Thursday as prices crumbled to 11-month lows. Bitcoin.com failed to produce a single BTC block over the bloodshed hour on March 12th, with the last recorded block at the height of 621,342. The head of research at Binxin Research Institute, Xiong Yu, wrote on Weibo, "No block has been produced in 48 minutes. Guess how many bosses just called the mine to shut down? Or is it just a coincidence?" So yeah, Is it the biggest players going on? Is it big players doing all of this? Is it what is going on here? It's so big. It's such a lot of things going on here. So let's check further. Want to sell Bitcoin BTC at 6,000? These charts show why it could be the ultimate bottom. Some panic-stricken holders are willing to sell Bitcoin after a 45% collapse, but these charts show why they might be wrong to do so. Want to sell Bitcoin at 6K? Well, a bigger picture and a brighter story, still the best performing asset. Wow, all right? Wow, that's pretty interesting. So if you check further, a bigger picture and a brighter story. According to the cryptocurrency trader Johnny Mo, Bitcoin coincidentally tapped its long-term curve trend that dates back to 2011. So far, the crypto is yet to break below it. He says, "Can you guys believe how crazy it is that we tapped the Bitcoin long-term curve trend so perfectly?" And to showcase what he has, first Bitcoin halving right there, second Bitcoin halving right there, third, I guess, or next Bitcoin halving right there, and we just hit it slightly, showcasing not too much is going on, or at least not too much bad is going on right here. And if we check a little bit, just redraw the line. Oh yeah, I mean, maybe possibly is what they did here is actually just redraw a new line just right now, you know, and it wasn't an old one. I actually have no proof of that at all. And here is another person kind of showcasing that it broke below the line. So don't know too much about that, I guess. It's a long shot, but okay. And meanwhile, as reported by you today, the Crypto King also came close to dropping below its 200-week moving average, 200 MA, with its current intraday low at 55.68. Alex Saunders aptly noted that December 2018, the month Bitcoin bottomed out below $3,200, was the last time what was that, December 2018 already? $3,200, that's insane. Was the last time the top cryptocurrency came close to this widely tracked average. In his words, the only other time Bitcoin has touched its 200-week MA, while outside the Bollinger Bands, is back in December 2018 at $3,200, shown below. All right. And then the other part about it is still the best performing asset. Remarkably enough, Bitcoin is still up more than 50% year over year. So if you bought last year, you'd still be up more than 50%. As Shapeshift CEO Eric Voorhees points out, there's a good chance that it has outperformed every asset in the world even after it plunged more than 45% from its 2020 peak. Well, that depends on what assets you're picking, of course. Bitcoin is still up 50% year on year, probably the only asset in the world doing that. It's a chance, but I think there's a couple of others. Actually, there's tons of others that have also done that. Maybe they're talking about big assets out there, but I still think a couple of companies are up more. But maybe because, of course, all the indexes went down by such a huge margin today as well. Maybe that all changed. And it's also interesting to see he posted this 2 hours ago, I think. So that means Bitcoin is still up 50%. That's pretty amazing. Since BTC has entered a bear market territory, it seems improbable that the coin could bounce back here. However, this recent drawdown was actually in line with Crypto Burb's prediction, who also forecasted that in 2020 it will be a legendary year for crypto. So yeah, it's an opinion. And last but not least, Ripple's XRP is just 3 cents away from reversing mega gains of 2017. Will Brad Garlinghouse, Mr. BG, interfere 1 hour ago? So, will Brad interfere? Not surprising, Ripple's XRP has been under immense sell pressure in the last half year, and today's drop below 17 cents and December 2019 lows spell another low for the third most valuable coin. So, for perspective, XRP is down 23% in the last trading day and down 33% in the past week. Combined, the coin is down 49% month to date and 52% year to date. It has also posted losses against Bitcoin, but is up against Ethereum, which is on a free fall, adding 8% against Ethereum, I guess, or Vitalik Buterin's co-founder currency, I guess, Ethereum. XP bears reversing 2017 gains. As prices drop, traders also noted that associated volumes were high. From different coin trackers, XRP-related volumes are up 35% in the last trading day, highlighting how ferocious bears have already been. as bears push prices below to December 2019 lows amid high trading volumes. The current spot level, 15 cents, holders of the coin are confounded with the idea that all the massive gains made in 2017 have almost been reversed. Amid the massive crypto rally of 2017 induced by the ICO mania and investor exuberance, XRP like Bitcoin soared. At peaks, the enterprise-focused coin trading at $3.32, which is different on every website. Some will say $3.80 or 90. And however, with bears taking charge, XRP has slumped 95%. Still, XRP is the most valuable coin after Bitcoin and Ethereum, with a market dominance of about 4%. Bear House, XRP is better than gold. Even in the depth of Bear House is confident of Ripple and XRP. In a series of tweets, the CEO said that holding XRP is better than gold. So I just now noticed, what the frick are they doing? This is Brad Garlic Bread. This is not Brad House. The tweet says, why buy gold when you can buy Ripple XRP? Ripples are worth so much more. Collect as many ripples as you can. How many XRPs can you get before time runs out? And I don't know if it's a sick joke, this whole article, or if this dumbass Nigitic did not know, or something like that. Or maybe it's just a joke inside there as well. I don't know too much about that. But gold remains one of the most valuable assets and time-tested physical assets held not only by individuals but by central banks. As the global economy dangles and on the cusp of falling into a recession, Russia's central bank has been ramping up and increasing their gold stocks. Bitcoin is largely regarded as gold's alternative, thanks in part to its mega valuation, censorship resistance, and its digital nature. Tether USD flips Bitcoin spinoffs. With this capitulation, USDT market cap has surged to $4 billion, $2.7 billion shy from XRP, which is logged at third. Tether has flipped Bitcoin SV and Bitcoin Cash, both of which are Bitcoin's spinoffs. Tether is a stable coin, and as prices fall, it is much needed shield during times of heightened volatility. So guys, I completely agree with all of this. There's a good chance of a turnaround, but we just do not know yet. There is still a lot of uncertainty over what caused these big slumps. Is it all that's happening in America right now? Is it all that's happening internationally because of oil? Is it because of the pandemic? Is it because of everything together? Is it because of some whales? Is it because of crypto market manipulation to kind of showcase a inverse correlation, or no, a correlation between stocks and crypto? Is it all being deliberate, or is it all on accident, or what? I don't know. But we'll see, guys, and I'll update you guys every time I learn something new or see something that I think is really interesting. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys again in another one soon. Take care, everybody, and have a very, very nice day, even though the markets are red.